kind of going over the little things that I hate from it. One of the things that I noticed, I'm 6'1", man. I'm 260 pounds, and I have some big freaking feet. And what they did here, they put on some Momo pedals, and I keep gassing and braking at the same time. I'm not motocrossing, and I definitely don't need to do it on the street with these tires the way they are. They're kind of slick, so it's still a little cold. They're not gripping as right, so it's skeeting everywhere. So just on the test drives, as you guys will see. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to pull her out, change out these pedals. Let's hope this battery kept the charge. No. So what I'm talking about is right down there. Now I keep skimming these two guys, so that's kind of dangerous. I don't like them anyways. I think they're just not Foxbody material. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off. See how we can get those off. We've got the regular stock ones. Looks like he marred. I mean, this is pretty much stripped. I'm gonna try and go ahead and remove it. You know, it's cool. You want to upgrade some things, but I mean, do it right. Not knocking anyone for not doing it right, but what I'm saying, like, he screwed into the metal plating right here, which is where the pedals go. And you know, although it's cool, whatever, I kind of hate the fact that this is what he did to this guy. He just screwed it on top of this dude. That's kind of my problem. I keep tapping both of them. I have a really wide foot. It's almost as wide as my hand. Chimp status almost, but yeah, you see this little lip, it seems like it's catching it, but I just don't like the aesthetics of it. I mean, you look at it, it looks pretty cheesy. Let's see if I can try to remove it out of here. Come on. Perfect. Ah, look. That's awesome. Looks like he was trying for a couple times. All right, moving on. Let's see. These guys got a little nut back there. Let me go get some pliers. I'm glad. I mean, all right, let me see. Got a little bit back there. Sorry, bro. There we go. All right, not too bad. See what the horror film is here. Well, it's still pretty bad. I don't care what anyone says. I don't like this. You know. All right, this one's a little straight. Let me see if I can. All right, that came off. One more. Well, he, as you guys know, they're just little metal knobs right here, and he just, you know, he just drilled and he just made like holes so that you can get the pedals on it. He just threw them on here. I don't even think that these are for here, but whatever, man. I guess we don't need to really worry about it, but I guess, you know, it just sucks. I don't like to see that. What I really don't like to see is that he went into this plastic. But the good thing is, the real good thing is that we went to LMR and we picked up our very own little kit. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the original stuff back on here. As you can tell, there's a heck of a lot more room in here now. And again, for us big feet people, it's very, very frustrating when you can't squeeze into any of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that guy off the accelerator pedal because we got a new one. There we go. That works better for me. There you go. So that's what you see. So basically, you'd have to like pound it out of there and whatnot. So I just broke it since he broke it first. And I'm just gonna pull this guy out. Let's do that. Now, for some of you, it may be pretty easy for you to get in here. For me, it's not so much. So bear with me, guys. Just be lucky I'm not breathing heavy on the microphone. There we go. And there it is. One pin out. And one destroyed gas pedal out. So anyways, here you go. Here's our pedal setup: gas, clutch, and brake. Again, I was running into, well, actually take this, because you could see where my feet kept touching it, you know what I mean? And we just don't like it. So we're gonna go to just our regular original stuff. This is a kit again from your world famous LMR, and this is a $35.99 kit. The gas pedal has its own pin in here. Let's go ahead and open this guy up real quick. There he is. And C-clip. So you don't have to worry about using the old stuff. This has new hardware. All right. So for 35 bucks, 36 bucks plus shipping, not bad. Way to go. So let's go ahead and put these back on. And for all of you, we're going to be doing a pedal giveaway. So if anyone's interested, say something. Well, to show you, well, I guess you guys saw that. It's just there we go. Now, time for big fingers to put on little things. Ta-da! Perfect. And these are just rubber, guys, you know, so you could see how they go. They are, I'm pretty sure they have it, oh, clutch or brake. So yeah, you can do either one. Like that, or like that. So, just going to slide this guy in. Now, the way it holds on there, I'll show you real quick. Now, if you guys didn't already know, which you probably do if you're here, I believe you're a professional that knows what he's doing. So there you go. It's just, it just falls into there. It's just a little lip, little crevice it falls into, no big deal. And all you gotta do is just kind of finagle it in there. You may have to open it up a bit here and there, but no big deal. Again. Come on. And there you have it. Test drive time. Let's go. Better already. See, go around the block. Big time difference, man. Big time difference. Now my feet are comfortably in there. I don't have to worry about hitting that brake or hitting that gas when I don't need to, man. So it was definitely a great change to get those Momos out and put the regular stuff back in there, man. Feels really good. So now we're gonna move on to other little things. Like I said, that radiator. So as soon as it comes in, we're gonna give you guys a video about that. Want to thank everybody on Facebook. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. You guys looking for a Mustang out there? Look at Mcscgreenwheels on Facebook.com. Check it out, man. We got lots of the cars that come in there are from all around. We don't own none of these cars, and so do your own due diligence, guys. And if you find one, go ahead and call them up. But we're just going out there and putting it out for you guys to see it. Want to thank everybody on Instagram. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for all the positive feedback, and especially thank everybody on YouTube, guys. Thank you very much. I like all the comments. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did right. Leave a like or a dislike. Overall, don't do that. Remember, guys, subscribe. The next video is coming right up. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.